So how you can add a new user? How you can add a new user to your Google Search Console? This is just as easy as possible, as easy and straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in. So you go to your settings when you've logged in on your Google Search Console account. You go to your settings, and this is your settings. You can see owner verification. So I'm already the owner of this particular account. Now you go down to user and permissions. You want to have the person and the permission you want to give that person. So you click there and you see add user, right? So you click on add user and you add the valid email, Google account Gmail of the person. You had it here and you want to give the person permission. You want to give the permission to be either a full owner of that particular account, and in this case there are advantages and disadvantages to it. The person can actually kick you out as part of the disadvantage because you've given the person the utmost right to everything that you have in that account, and you can give the person full right depending on what the person want to do, right, on your account or on your website, and you can actually restrict the person from certain things, and that is how it is. So once you've selected any of these depending on your own thing, so you just click add. Once you've added, straight up it will be added here and you will see the person here just as you're seeing this one right here. I hope you understand. If you love it, kindly subscribe and share with friends. Comment on any other thing that you want to know, and if you have any question, just try to drop that in the comment section. Love you.